Hello, Darkmoon Doll here. Today I wanted to show you some of the artistic creations I've been working on since I've been away. So I apologize, I haven't been posting videos regularly, but life gets in the way and that's what happens. So what I want to show you is these fabric beads, embroidered beads, that I came up with a different type of way of making these beads where you can attach them together to make a necklace. I haven't attached them yet together, but I just wanted to show you the basic foundation of where to start with those. I did a tutorial on the Productive Canvas Connoisseur channel, which you can check out. I just recently posted those videos on that channel, and I think I'm going to be taking those videos where I ended up working on a tutorial and putting those videos on to my Patreon soon. So just as soon as I have enough energy to do so. I've been pretty busy and I've been pretty kind of stressed out, but I'm feeling a lot better. I might have a little bit of a cold, but I'll be okay. So let's get right into it. I think that I've shown you the fabric beads that I made that are hand embroidered. These are the hand embroidered beads that don't have holes in them. So I'll just show you these. And these beads are made using metallic silk embroidery thread. So I can give you a good look at them. So that's what they look like. And what I did was I attached a jump ring to either side. Let's do like that. See that? Those silvery things on the end, those are jump rings. So what I'm going to do is attach them together. So I have a total of 1, 2, let's see. Oh, let's see. Put that to the side. I'll show you that in a minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I only have 7 of these so far. That's not quite enough for me to make a full-on necklace. I probably can make a bracelet out of it, or these can be used as making earrings. See, because you have a jump. Oh, I just dropped one. What I was going to say is you have a jump ring on the bottom and on the top. So if you wanted to make an earring out of it, you could hang like some other beads on the bottom. So for like dangly earrings. So they could be made into earrings. But these are the beads that I have, and that's what I did. And they're very bouncy. They're all made with recycled fabrics and hand embroidered, hand sewn. If you don't know how to make fabric beads, you can check out my past tutorials that I've done on this channel and on my Productive Canvas Connoisseur channel. So these are the beads that I'm going to get ready to make a necklace out of soon once I have enough of these beads made. And that's probably something I'll do today because I'm just going to try to take it easy on my moon time. And women out there, you know, if you're during that time, you want to take some time out and do something creative. That helps. So, and then I also made this from these fabric embroidered beads. I made a goddess figure. So it would be nice to get more than one of these made and make a set of earrings to go with the necklace. So that's just an idea I just came up with just now. So yeah, I wanted to just share with you guys some of the projects that I'm working on, and in hopes that it'll inspire you. I don't share you these things to brag about the art that I make and how great it looks. I just trying to put out there things that people can do to help reduce stress that are fun and involves color therapy. So healing with color. So put these away. And I'll show you another embroidered bead that I made recently. And this one could be used to adorn your hair. If you wear braids, you could put it on the end of your braid. If you wear dreads, if you have skinny dreads, you could put them on there. So let me get this out of the plastic bag. I've been keeping these hand embroidered beads in plastic bags because I find that it won't, if I do that, it protects them and it won't wear out the threads on there because that's a lot of work. As it is, this one still needs some work because some of the threads are loose. But here's a bead that you could use as a dreadlock bead, actually, for a skinny dread. Let me see if I have any skinny dreads in here I can demonstrate that on. I've got dreads of all sizes, so let's see. Maybe this one, the skinny one, will fit. Nah, it's a little too skinny. Let's see. And my hair is clean, so if you see me trying on these beads that I'm saying that I'm gonna sell or whatever, I'm not putting it onto dirty dreads. My dreads are clean, so I don't know if it'll fit on any of my dreads. Some of them are fuzzy on the end and not totally like blunted. Well, this one is more so. Let's see. And these are nice to make just for yourself. If you don't want to like make them to sell, you can just make it for yourself. See, look how that looks. And it's with the metallic not nail enamels, with the metallic embroidery threads. It really gives it a really shiny, like really cool look to it, kind of spacey. But I still have to do more work on it and tighten up these threads on here. But yeah. If you are interested in learning how to make fabric beads, you can definitely check out my past tutorials I've done on this channel, because so many people are interested in creating their own beads. Because at least for me, I started off being interested in creating my own beads because I went to a bead store and then I would see beads in catalogs. And I would see them, some would look interesting, but they'd be out of my price range, and some of them be just okay. So I thought, why don't I just teach myself how to make my own beads? That way I can have something to use for jewelry making, for adorning my dreads, for my dolls too that I create. So yeah, put my hat back on. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you, and also some of the other things that I've done that I'm not sure if I shared it on this channel, and it has to do with hand embroidered fabric beads, but all the different things you can do with them and use them for. So let me show you these ones that I completed recently, not too far down the line. So here's some earrings. And you can make them, like I was just talking about, the dangly earrings. If you do the attachments of the jump rings on either side of it. But these are a different type of earring that I've created. I've got actually a bunch of earrings I've created over here. I have the evil eye earring, and then here's a heart earring. This one's fully embroidered, and there's a heart on both sides. With these earrings, I'm waiting to get like a match or something that looks like it would be a match to wear before I sell them. Some people wear mismatched earrings, but I want them at least to match as far as I don't know, just maybe equal size, same size. And then we've got these earrings. I could let it stop spinning. So yeah, there's this one that's hand embroidered fabric bead. I decided to turn it into an earring because it was a bead that had a hole in it, but the hole closed up on it. So I decided to just turn it into an earring. So I want to wait to get a matching bead that's similar to this, at least halfway similar to it, and make a set there. So I have a pair. And then we've got this one, which is kind of a miniature version of the other eye earring that I showed you. See, because I could, if you wanted to, and if you don't mind wearing earrings that are different sizes and slightly different pattern, which I don't when I used to wear earrings. I don't wear earrings that much anymore because I have this thing about where it feels like I have to wear gold. I've worn earrings on this channel, but I just can't wear them all day or else my ears get really irritated. And so yeah, those. But I'm gonna try to see if I can make ones that are just more like a pair to look alike. But like I said, I've worn earrings that didn't match, but it matched to me in the fact that it wasn't like exactly the same, but each earring had similar color schemes. So that's a little eye there. So yeah, You can also, like on these earrings, add like a jump ring on the end if you wanted to add more beads coming off to be a dangly earring, just like the ones that I'm working on. And yeah, like I said, all of these beads are hand sewn, hand embroidered from start to finish. It's not to brag that they're hand sewn. That's how I've learned how to sew, is just sewing by hand. I don't have a sewing machine, so all these years that I've been creating these hand sewn creations, yeah, there hasn't been a sewing machine in the process of it all. So here's another bead. Let's see if I do this. There you go, you can see it better now without all the light on it. But this can be used as a dreadlock bead as well, for a skinny dreadlock. But I want to, with these kind of beads, I don't want to sell them one at a time. I've decided I'd like to, unless they're a huge bead, but I want to try to sell like a lot of them, like at least 6 or 9 in a lot or something like that, or 3. Those are the numbers I like so well, 3, 6, and 9. And here's another one. So yeah, this is basically, on this camera it looks like it's just red, but it's actually more of a dark orange color. But yeah, it's just taking recycled fabrics to a whole nother level. And if you wanted to, and you didn't want this to be a bead, you could put like a little head on top of it. It can be a little fabric doll, which I've done a lot of. So. And I've also shown you how to make those little fabric dolls too. I could start doing tutorials based on the changing of the seasons and things like that. I thought about that because people ask me how to make certain things that I've already done a tutorial on, but to, like, you know, keep it fresh on this channel, I can just do an update, but just doing it according to the seasons. So this is another bead that I made. This one is closed up, so I'm going to end up making it into, probably incorporate it into a necklace charm by putting the jump rings on either side, like I did on the current project that I'm working on that I showed you at the beginning of this show. Let's see if I can fit this back in here. But yeah, it's a very fun and relaxing activity, and you can either keep it for yourself and make jewelry for yourself and put it in your artwork. You can sell it. You can give it away as gifts. I mean, these are beautiful gifts to give to somebody during, you know, whatever period of the day you want to give somebody a gift. You don't have to wait until the holidays to give someone a gift. So yeah, that's some of the stuff that I've been working on. And I also think I might want to eventually do a giveaway on this channel, because I don't think I've ever done one on this channel. And what is it that I'm going to give away? Well, I haven't decided yet, but once I do, I'll just do the giveaway. I'm just going to make it spontaneous, and it's going to be easy and straightforward, the giveaway. I've done giveaways on my other channel, The Productive Cannabis Connoisseur, but I think I want to start trying to do one on this channel as well, and I think that won't be until next month. So get ready for that, because I got to do some writing down of inventory and see what I've got, what's on my shop, and what's not on my shop. So a lot of times giveaways will end up being pieces of artwork that are on my shop that didn't sell, not because they're not good pieces of artwork, it's just they didn't sell for whatever reason. So I end up giving them away. So either the stuff that expires on my shop, Etsy shop, I'll give it away in a giveaway, art giveaway, or I will give it away as a free gift when you purchase something from my shop. So I'll give you a heads up on the art giveaway for this channel. And yeah, thanks for joining me today for Art Talk, I guess you would call it. Just catching you up on these projects I've been working on, and I'm really, really excited about this one. So you could jet on over to either my Patreon or to the Productive Cannabis Connoisseur channel and check out how I made these, because it just came to me as an idea how I made these by putting the jump rings on either side. I thought, well, if I do that, then I can connect them together to eventually make one bracelet, you know, or one or even one necklace that's really nice. I want to make a centerpiece for these beads. Not, it won't be just these beads, but I want to have like a centerpiece charm that I'm going to make out of fabric embroidered. You know, it's going to be a fabric embroidered charm that'll go with this. And so that's kind of what I want to be working on today, is more of these beads. And you could use any kind of fabric to make these beads. So yeah, thanks for joining me today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you share it with your friends and family, because creativity is a wonderful thing. It keeps people happy, healthy, and sane. Let me have a little bit of my water if I can find it. It's really thirsty. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for the likes and shares, and thanks for the kind comments. Leave your comments down below and let me know if you've tried any of the tutorials I've put forth on this channel, especially currently the fabric embroidered beads. I mean, if you've been doing those, I'd love to see what you've come up with. A really awesome lady showed me some of the beads that she made from watching my tutorial, fabric beads. Yeah, they're really beautiful. And I mean, I think she asked me if I was interested in her mailing me some of them, and the answer to that question is not really, because I have so much. I really have a lot. So otherwise I'd say yes. But yeah, I have so many fabric beads and ones that I'm working on. But I appreciate that. That's kind of you to ask. And I did like those beads that were showing to me on my Instagram. So yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. If you'd like to support this channel, you can donate $1 more to my PayPal and include a question you'd like to see answered on an upcoming show. It's not required to pay to watch these shows on this channel. It's just people have asked how they can support all 3 of my channels: Dark Moon Doll, Healing with Color, and the Productive Cannabis Connoisseur. And that's how you can support this channel, helping me to afford to raise up money to buy a separate camera, so I'm not taxing my cell phone, because I'm using my cell phone camera, and so that I could eventually afford to buy land, build tree homes on that land, and grow all the fruits and vegetables and medicinal herbs that I want. And then when I'm in that situation, I can help everybody else out. Well, not everybody, but I can help others out. So that's my vision for that PayPal. And it's not being funded just so that I could go out shopping at the mall or something weird. Does anybody shop at the mall anyway? Alrighty, guys. Yeah, please do check out my BitChute channel and my Black Junction TV channel, because one of my channels on here on YouTube got terminated, and then they brought it back because of the content, and the content was all about education about a certain type of plant. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out that channel. Alrighty, guys, brightest blessings to you all, and please do stay creative each and every day, because that's going to help you to heal and grow and to learn more about your purpose on this planet Earth.